Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we are checking things off of my Christmas wish list. And if you want to see a new handbag unboxing, then please continue to watch to see exactly what we're adding to my collection. I am so excited for today's video. I grabbed something from Brandon Blackwood. This is my very first piece from his brand. And yeah, I've been eyeing it for a while. I did do a Christmas wish list, Christmas/2024 wish list. So I'll be sure to link that card up above, but let's go ahead and jump in. And then I will give you guys all the details of it. I'll show exactly what it looks like on my frame, how I would style it. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. So here is the box. And I'm sure you guys can see. Okay, so, all right, first thing we have is going to be my receipt, and this item did ship fairly quickly. I bought this during the Black Friday sale, and I think it took about 5 business days before I received it. So this is what the box looks like. It's a really nice white box, and it has Brandon Blackwood, New York on it. All right. Okay, so we have an envelope that comes in the bag, and let's see. It says, thank you for your purchase. Very nice, classy touch. All right, and absolutely love the packaging already. I love how it's in a dust bag, and yeah, this is really, really cute. So this is what this looks like. Go ahead and take that out. I think there's nothing else in there, so we'll move that to the side. So here it is. And oh my goodness, this is so cute. So you'll see right there, it says Brandon Blackwood, it says New York. This is the Brandon Blackwood croc embossed red leather Kendrick Trunk. Woo, okay, I got it all out. Yeah, so that's what this here is. And I've been wanting something. I love this style, and I also love the Nia bag, but ultimately I went with this one. And this is also a really great bag if you're just following trends, but I needed something red in my collection because red is a really big color for the season. So this will definitely go beautifully. Unfortunately, the last time I checked, this handbag is actually sold out, but they do have other croc embossed styles like purple and green, but this is the one that I just could not wait to get my hands on. So it does come with a top handle. Before we get into all that, and if you know me, one thing that I love about handbags, I love when they have feet on them and they're covered. So I'm just gonna take those off. You guys can see. So beautiful gold feet. So the hardware is brass hardware. And let's go ahead and take all of this off. Okay, and then this looks like it's probably just care instructions. Yeah. And I like that on the top, it has B for Brandon Blackwood. That simply lifts up. That's how you get into it. And it comes with a crossbody strap. And the inside is a micro suede. So one thing I noticed immediately is that there isn't a lot of stretch here. So this may be a difficult bag to get in and out of, but it does look like it's very spacious and roomy. So without taking off any of the plastic, this is simply what it looks like. Here is the crossbody strap, so you can wear it as a top handle or that way, which I love. So let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, So here's the strap also with the brass hardware. This red is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take off all the plastic and everything in a second, but yeah. So you can clip that right here. So I'll probably take off all the plastic off camera and come right back. Okay, so I added the strap. Let's go ahead and get into the specs of this bag. So it is 7.5 inches long. It's going to be 6 inches high, and then the diameter is 3.5 inches. You have the crossbody strap, which is adjustable, so it can go from 21 inches to 23.5. So hopefully that will work out for me because I am a plus size girl, so I want to see exactly how it looks on my frame, and I'm about 5'7" for height. But yes, that is the overall specs on this bag. Like I said before, this is croc embossed cowhide leather brass hardware. The inside is micro suede, and she is absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy that I have this, and yeah, it is just an absolutely beautiful bag. I love all the details with it. I think it's just gonna go nicely. And on the inside, if you guys can see that, there is the leather right here that says Brandon Blackwood, New York. And yeah, so this is as far as the opening goes, but she is just a beautiful bag. If you're unfamiliar with the brand, Brandon Blackwood is a luxury Black designer. He came to the height of popularity, I would say, back in maybe 2020 with his End Systemic Racism handbag. You've seen his bags on the likes of Beyonce and Kim Kardashian and also Taylor Swift. He has a wide variety of products, not just handbags. He has wallets, he has shoes, all kinds of beautiful items. So definitely be sure to check out his website, and you can also find him in retailers like Saks Fifth Avenue, Neiman Marcus, and I want to say Nordstrom also. Before we get into what fits inside the bag, I just want to sincerely say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. When I purchased this bag, I wanted a matching wallet to go with it, and I found the perfect one on Coach. And by the time it had arrived here, I had gained over 1,000 subscribers. And this just means the absolute world to me because I love just sharing what I'm buying, what I'm wearing, where I'm traveling to, how I'm decorating my home. I love sharing that. And the fact that it's resonated with so many people, I'm just like absolutely shocked by that. My goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this calendar year. And the fact that I accomplished that is just so wild to me. So I want to give back to you guys. This is actually, I purchased it for myself. I'm going to go back and get another one for myself because I thought it would be the perfect giveaway. So this is a Coach wristlet, and tell me like it doesn't, that is just pure perfection. So I am going to go back and buy another one for myself, but I just thought it was perfect for the holidays. It has a retail value of $148. I don't know if you guys can see that, probably not. This came directly from the Coach website. I'll take it out here, take this little plastic cover off in a second, and it comes with 2 key charms. So just taking this off so you guys can see. So one is the C, and then this looks like a little snowflake, and they both say Coach on them. And this is what the little wristlet looks like. I'm not going to take anything off, but it is leather. I'll take this out. It has card holders on the inside and just things that you can fit, you know, your lip gloss or whatnot when you're heading out. And I just think it is such a beautiful piece that I got to go with this bag, but I want one of my subscribers to win this. I'm gonna leave it open for 1 week. So from 1 week from today, I'll have the information down below in the description box on the exact date when this closes. All you have to do to enter, just comment down below. Let me know how you found my channel, or just say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you want to. Just comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And then I'm going to send you to another platform, because the only way that I can contact you to let you know that you won, because there's so many scammers out there, is through Instagram. So in my next video next week, I will put the person's name who won this, and then I will mail it out to you the next business day. So hopefully you have it before the holidays, and if not, definitely you have it before the new year. But yeah, I just wanted to stop really quick and say a special thank you to everyone who subscribed, because it means the absolute world to me. This is what I'm giving away. Those are the instructions, and I'm gonna take it out just so I can show you guys exactly what fits in this Kendrick trunk. So let's go ahead and head over there. Once again, thank you so much. Okay, so here's my little tray of essentials that I took out of my other bag, and we're just gonna see exactly how many things we can fit into our little Kendrick trunk. So I'm just going to open it up, and we'll start with the giveaway item. So I wanna see actually if it fits in here, and it does, it fits. And can I close it with it? And okay, all right, so it fits in there. So I would definitely, of course, have some type of wallet in there. And then my favorite brand of hand cream, if you are looking for stocking stuffers, it is the EOS brand. This is the fresh and cozy one, but vanilla cashmere, pomegranate, raspberry, perfection. So I would put that in there. Always need mints, pepper spray, floss, car keys. Okay, all right, she's still doing good. Hand sanitizer. This is my He Brewed It lip gloss, my favorite. My phone I'm probably carrying on me, but this is a case. My friend actually designed this, and I think it is so beautiful. So I will have her storefront linked down below. And last but not least, perfume of the day. All right, let's see. I do have it pretty filled. And see, yeah, so it closed, and yeah, she's pretty full. So she fit a lot in there. And let me just pop it open so you guys can see exactly. You can barely see. She's stuffed to the brim, but everything fit inside. I was able to close the sides and then close her back up. So now I'm going to back up and show you guys exactly what it looks like styled with just a sweater and some jeans and some heels and a jacket. So yeah. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like on my frame, all styled as if I was going out. So if I want to wear it as a crossbody bag, I have it on the very last opening, and this is what it looks like. I think it fits perfectly. It's not too big or bulky. You can move it, switch sides. So yeah, I think that's good as a crossbody. And if I take it off, and I tighten the strap. So I'm just gonna come up here and let's go all the way to the very first opening. Bring that down, loop it through, come to the end of this, and pull it down one more. Then it will serve as a perfect shoulder bag. So this is where it would hit on me, and I am wearing heels. So that's where it hits. I think that looks good as well. And if I want to completely take the straps off, so just lift that up, lift this side up as well. My hand. All right. And if I just want to wear it as a top handle, about right here. And this is what it would look like. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Love the color, love the finish, love that it has feet. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. And I think that's it. I can't remember if I said the retail price of this or not, but this bag retails for $300, but I got it during the Black Friday sale, so I think it was like $200. So definitely a steal, because I would pay way more for this quality of a bag. It's just... That concludes today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful, especially if you are looking to add a Brandon Blackwood trunk to your collection. I'm obsessed. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, come back often, and do not forget to enter the giveaway so that way you can win this Coach wristlet along with the 2 charms. The giveaway closes in 1 week. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, comment down below, head over to Instagram and leave a comment so that way if you win, I can send you a direct message. I am at styledbygeneva on all platforms, and I just want to sincerely say thank you for supporting me this year, and come back often for more content. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.